Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Empires 4. To begin, you'll navigate through 4 distinct ages, each unlocking new technologies and units. Your initial focus should be on gathering resources such as food, wood, gold, and stone. These are crucial for developing your economy and training your army. Selecting one of the 8 unique civilizations will also define your early game strategy and unit composition. A robust economy is the backbone of any successful empire. Early on, dedicate many villagers to gathering food and wood to ensure steady growth. As your population expands, balance creating new villagers with training military units. Establishing trade routes with neutral or allied markets can provide a reliable stream of gold, while researching economic upgrades significantly boosts your resource income over time. Building a powerful army requires strategic unit composition. Train a mix of infantry, archers, and cavalry to counter various enemy threats. Understanding unit counters, like spearmen against cavalry, is vital for winning engagements. Constant scouting reveals enemy positions and plans, giving you a tactical edge. Remember to fortify your base with walls and towers to defend against early aggression and protect your valuable villagers. There are several paths to victory in Age of Empires 4. Progressing through the 4 ages is fundamental, as it unlocks powerful units and technologies. You can achieve a religious victory by capturing and holding all sacred sites for 10 minutes. Alternatively, a conquest victory is secured by destroying all enemy landmarks. Finally, constructing and defending a magnificent wonder for 15 minutes will also lead your civilization to triumph.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.